Hi, I'm Sparky, and today I'm going to talk about how to regulate LED brightness using a resistor. The brightness of an LED is related to the current flowing through the diode. More current, the brighter the LED. However, excessive current in the LED can damage it. So how do we control this current so that we get the desired brightness from the LED? Here is a simple circuit with a voltage supply, an LED, and a resistor. Now let's see how this resistance can be used to control the current in the circuit. The parameters of the circuit are Vin, the supply voltage, Vf, the forward voltage of the LED, and R, the resistance of the resistor. Let's move this circuit on the side to make some space for computations. The current flowing in this circuit is a function of the resistance. I is equal to Vin minus Vf over R. This is basically the voltage across the resistance divided by the resistance. Let's take an example with some values. If Vin is 5 volts, Vf is 2 volts, and the R is 1 kilo ohm, we get I is equal to 5 minus 2 divided by 1000, that is equal to 3 milliamps. By choosing different values of resistors, different currents in the circuit can be achieved. A lower resistance means a higher current and a brighter LED. A higher resistance means a lower current and a less bright LED. The datasheet of the LED provides the recommended current values. It also provides information about the current limits for the LED because a very high current can heat up the LED and potentially damage it. So this is how a simple resistance can be used to control the brightness of the LED. Thank you.